Easy living in Bemidji starts here. This updated end unit in the Deep Rock Townhome development has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-stall garage. Inside, you'll love the updated flooring, kitchen countertops, and paint, a spacious primary suite with its own bathroom and walk-in closet, plus 2 additional bedrooms. Heading outside, the association takes care of the lawn maintenance, the snow removal, and even garbage, so you can spend less time working on your home and more time enjoying it. Add in the convenient location, and this is the total package. Townhomes like this typically don't stick around long, so let's take a look inside. Well, there you have it. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of this property, click the link in the description or reach out to one of us here at Team Montgomery. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.